Good morning, dear student. Welcome to your online class. Today we will see your class 7's honeycomb poem number 5. Trees. Poem 5 trees explanation. Okay. So please pay attention to understand it. Okay. Dear students, trees. The poem Trees is written by Shirley Bowes, okay, a poet who tells about different advantages of the trees according to the other peoples. Okay, different advantage. Many people see the trees and take their and appreciate their own importance of the trees according to their own. So let's start to read the poem. Okay, dear student, in this poem, first stanza is trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make trees houses in. Dear students, in these lines, the poet says that trees are for birds. It means all birds, they are made their nest for live in the trees. Okay, all trees live in trees and make their nests in the trees. Trees are for children. It means here poet says that trees are for children. It means children play games in trees. They play hide and seek games behind trees and also play games under the shady of trees and make tree houses as a swings. Tree houses as a swings. Okay, and these trees are also very important and advantage for birds and children also. Trees are to make tree houses in. It means children and other people make tree houses, okay, to live in. Trees are to swings on, and trees are used to make a swing on the trees. Okay, this is for swinging. Trees are for the wind to blow through. It means trees protect from strong winds. It save from the hot and summer season. Trees are to hide behind the hide and seek. It means children play hide and seek games behind the trees. Trees are to have tea parties under. Even the grown-ups, elderly people also take benefit. They sit under the tree and take tea parties. Okay. Trees are for kites to get caught in, and trees are also used to get kite in the trees, which kites are floating and just kites, trees caught it. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. When every passerby, he is very summer season, very hot air, and trees give their shade to make cool and from the summer seasons. Okay, and every passerby get relief to get this trees shade. And trees are to make shade in winter, and trees are also made a shade from the winter season. Okay, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, and trees is also very useful for giving many useful and delicious fruits. Okay, for eating like apples, pears. Trees are to chop down, carve timber, and trees are also even most important when trees are chopped down, okay, trees, they become timber, very, very useful for furniture and every household things. Trees make, mother says, what a lovely picture to paint. And trees are also a very good scene site, became very, very beautiful site which can be painted, okay, and it captured by camera also, and it becomes a economical growth for benefit also, trees, okay. Trees makes father say, what a loss of leaves rake this far. And in this way, if there is a shedding leaves, leaves also become, father said, there is a lot of trees for collecting leaves. In this way, dear friends, there are many